Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to use and add new frequent phrases on WhatsApp. Friends, as we all know, now on WhatsApp we can use pre-typed messages very easily with the help of frequent phrases option in WhatsApp chat. So open the chat window. Now here long press on the message area and select frequent phrases. Now in frequent phrases, select the phrase you want to send and press on the send button to send the message. So like this, you can add new text in frequent phrases option. For that, you need to long press on the message area, select the frequent phrases, press on the plus icon. Now here you can add a new text. After entering the text, press on OK. Now we will use this phrase as message. So long press on the message area, press on frequent phrases, here scroll it little down and you will find your newly added phrase here and press on the send button. So friends, like this you can very easily use and add new frequent phrases on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.